Importing files using the media browser panel. So down here I have some files in my project browser and I want to add some more. So I'm going to come up here to my media browser tab, and in the media browser tab I have a direct view right into my network, or into my external hard drive, or into my local computer. And so I'm basically going to go over here to my pictures, and then I'm going to come down here. Let me find my way through here. I'm going to come down here to this folder right here. I'm going to open up this folder. And I have some more images here. And I can browse through these images, and I say, oh, I really like these photos here. And I can right click and say import. And it'll put it right into the folder I have selected. All right. So again, I went up to Media Browser. I found the image I want. I right clicked and I said import. But if I'm not really sure what it looks like, I could open it in the source monitor. If it's a video, I could play that video, or I could see it a little bigger here if it's an image. So I can just go and import that, and it plops it right in. Okay. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to select on my main folder. I'll go up to Media Browser. I'll just find another image or two here, and let's just go and pick on some buildings here, and right there, and I'll right click. I've picked two of them now, and I say import. And notice I didn't put it so you could see it. I put it right at the root level here, but I'm going to move those in, right? I'm going to put it under images, and I'll move that under images. So I am importing files using the media browser. So when I'm in the media browser, I have no need to have to go to my Windows Explorer or my Finder and find these particular files, because I have a browser, a media browser right here built into Premiere Pro. And so I do recommend using this sometimes, and sometimes I have another screen with Windows Explorer open or Finder, and I use that to browse too. So either or. So this is importing files with a media browser panel.